Good morning, everybody. Happy September 4th. Happy Labor Day. My name's Courtney, and on this channel, I teach you how to make money online every single day, no days off. So, today we're going to be talking about InstaGc. What does InstaGc stand for? It's instant gift cards. So, today I'm going to give you a rundown of the site. The link to sign up to get a bonus will be in the description. Make sure you use my link to get a bonus. If you don't want to, you can go to instagc.com, sign up, but I don't think they're giving bonuses unless you use a link. So, we're going to go through a rundown of this site and how I use it. If you haven't watched my previous 3 days of videos, go watch them because every day I teach you about a new site and you can learn how you can use that site every day and stack that money. Okay. This is a 30-day series teaching you how you can make money online to use for bills or side hustles, or you want to start a business or whatever the case may be. Okay. We are never broke over here because there's always side hustles to do. If you need the money, there's a will, there's a way. All right. So let's go over this site. So this is your homepage. You see I have 0 coins or 0 points. Okay. I've done 2012 offers. I have 2 referrals. They're not doing anything. I've got 4 gift cards. This is your ticker. This shows what people are getting money doing or points doing. Okay. This is the chat box. When there's no moderators available, obviously they don't let you chat. Here's the ways that you can earn. Here's their you can do apps, clicks, surveys, tasks, trials, and videos. Okay. If you go to recommended, you can do surveys, you can watch videos. I'm going to show you the gift card store. There's literally thousands of gift cards. They're all listed A, B, C. Personally, I go for PayPal. That's just a personal preference. Over here, you can set your goal and you can change it. When you press the cog icon, you can change it to whatever you want. Whatever you want. They're all by alphabetical order. Okay. This site is amazing. Okay. And you can change your amount too. I just have mine set for $1. So you can do that. You promote your link just like I'm doing. And the way the referral link is, they get 10 points. You get 10 points when each person signs up, and then you get a 10% earnings from your referrals. Okay. But that's if they do anything, guys. Don't get set up on, oh, I'm signing up under this person, I'm making them money. If they don't get on here and do anything, you don't make money. So the first thing I get on here and do is clicks. I'll go to InstaGc and I'll do all of these. They're half a point each, but if you do all of them, it does add up. Okay. Then I go to recommended and I would do any offer walls that I like. I do all those offers that I want. Then I go to the next one. I'm not real big on surveys. I used to be, but now I just get on here, do a couple offers, watch some videos. You can also go to videos and you get paid for the ads. I believe Hideout TV is down right now. I'm not sure. And usually Hyper MX does not have any videos for me. But there's always something you can do on these sites. You can redeem for other rewards like PayPal and checks and direct deposit. You can do point booster codes, printable coupons, and sweepstakes. And I just get on here every day and make $1. If you haven't watched my previous videos, go watch those. I did Survey Junkie, I did Prize Rebel, and yesterday I did offer or super. Which one did I do? I did another one yesterday. I can't remember. But if you do $5 from each of those sites, that's $15. And then you get on here and you make another $5, that's $20. 20 times 7 is what? Like, these sites do add up. You just got to put in the work. There's either two sides to this. Either you put in money or you put in work. If you need money, you're going to put in the work. If you need results fast and you have money, you're going to put in the money. So make sure you use my link in the description. Sign up below. You will get a bonus. Make sure you're using these sites every single day. There's no reason that you should be living paycheck to paycheck, okay? Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified, like, share, and comment. Because I'm going to be coming out with a video every single day this month teaching you how to make money online. All right, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great Labor Day.